Hi and welcome to Wig Studio One. I'm Eileen, the Crazy Wig Lady. Today we're going to look at a brand new style from Ellen Wille. This one is called Time Comfort. The color is Stone Gray Mix 564538. This of course is provided by Wig Studio One for review. Now this is part of the Ellen Wille High Power Collection, which is a segment of their hair power collection. These are heat-friendly fibers. We're going to have a look at this cute style, but first, before we get started, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to our support team at support@wigstudio1.com. Also, you can live chat with them during normal business hours on the wigstudio1.com website. So be sure to do that if you have any questions whatsoever. Check the drop-down box below this video for a link for this new little style. So cute. Okay, let's look at Time Comfort. Alright, let's talk about Time Comfort. I am wearing Beau Mono, and this color is Pearl Blonde Rooted. Now, Beau Mono is the synthetic style that's kind of the sister style to this Time Comfort, this being heat friendly. So if you're not really crazy about heat friendly fibers, have a look at Beau Mono. They are very similar styles. Here's the inside of the cap of Ellen Wille Time Comfort. This is a partially hand-tied cap. There is wefting in the back that is covered. Extended felt nape with Velcro adjusters. This is a hand-tied cap. Now, the front of this appears to me to be hand knotted here, covered by this soft tulle material. Make sure you see that. There's a extra layer of tulle here covering the knots. This is really nice and soft. If you do not have any hair, this would be really soft against your scalp. So super comfortable. Extended lace all the way around. Now, again, these are heat-friendly fibers. Now, Ellen Wille recommends that you keep your styling tools around 260 degrees, and that if you are going to add some curl to this or put any heat on it, you do this when the fibers are wet. Ellen Wille has some really good videos on YouTube showing you step by step how to do that if you would like to apply some heat to this wig. All right, let's try this on. Okay, let's try this on, see how it fits. Okay, this fits me perfect. I do not have to make any adjustment. I have a 21¼ inch head circumference, and I would not have to do anything. This is just some plain water. I'm just going to spray it down because that's how I like to do it. Now, like we talked about, there's no permatease here because this is a hand-tied cap. So cute. Look at this. Now, I think this would be really cute spiked up, putting some styling cream in this. I would pull this off my face. Could really, yeah, I like that like that. All right, let's talk about this color, Stone Gray Mix. Mixture of gray, there's some brown in here, some silver, and some white. Wow, what a beautiful color, right? I'm going to show you this in some outdoor lighting. I just kind of wanted to play with it a little and see what we could do with it. Like I said, I like to just spray some water in it, but I definitely would put some styling cream in here and really spike this up and piece it out. Again, these are heat-friendly fibers, so you could really make this super straight. This has the slightest bit of wave, as you can see right here, in here. And if you really wanted to either add more curl or straighten it, you could do that. Again, making sure these fibers are wet when you apply any heat, and keep those styling tools around 260 degrees. Okay, the specs of this one. The front is 3 inches. This bang is a 3-inch bang. The crown is 3. The sides are 2.75 and it has this short 1.75 inch nape. Really tight to your neck. I like that about Ellen Wille styles. You can move your head around anyway and that's not going to lift at all. Now, like we talked about, this is very similar to bow mono, which I have here. I just want to show you the cap of this one. The bow mono has a deeper lace front and a mono top as well. It's open wefted, where this one is hand tied. This is open wefted, and there's a lot of stretch in that one. So more stretch in bow mono than I find in the Time Comfort. Now, Time Comfort, again, has a 3-inch bang. This one has 2.75. Time Comfort, 3-inch crown. The crown on bow mono is 3.5. So the crown's a little longer here. The sides 2.75, 2.74, and they both have the 1.75 inch nape. Thanks for joining me today and having a look at this new style from Ellen Wille. Again, check the drop down box for more information, and please follow us on all social media platforms. I will see you next time and have a great day.